Dzień dobry.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Sunday. Where we actually, Saya? What's going on today, actually?
Actually, we plan to go to the Sunday market. Unfortunately, the Sunday market already moved somewhere. It's totally far in community. So we decided to go to have a breakfast here in one place. And I'll show you around. And what I see that in the morning already people already start coming.
Actually, the story was like that. We arrived at 10:50 and it was like nobody here. I just parked. Is this place even open? 5 minutes later, is the full parking lot and it's so many people. Because they open at 11. It's actually cool place. I've been here recently during the winter when Winnie was still back in Bali and wasn't like that. Now it's really expanded a lot. It looks decent actually. Yes? So I'm gonna show you, right? But it's nice. You can sit outdoors and almost like a Bali vibe. And sorry, I speak a lot, but you guys miss me, so I just talk now a lot. But now I'm giving the camera back to Winnie. Yes, Sayang?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is currently the situation. Oh, our food is coming. Kahanye. Here is our breakfast for today. Look at this food. So Damian ordered the big breakfast. This is a really huge, and including with the bread, Pepsi, and my kanapka or sandwich. Chicken sandwich looks so good.
Sayang, but
Two hot cappuccino.
give me the camera. I will show the perspective. This is the big breakfast here in Poznan, in Poland. Okay, the eggs, tomato, everything looks the same, but they give you the 3 cabanos sausage. Actually, the portion is big. Even your sandwich is actually big, Sayang.
And look how much we paid. I'll show you.
How much you pay?
57 zloty.
57 zloty together with Pepsi, actually, because you know the coke addiction of Damush.
It's around 200 something thousand rupiah, right?
Yeah,
It's the same, like cheaper than in Canggu, right?
But
honey?
sitting like in Canggu, no? Actually, even better because the loud music is not that loud. It's just moderate volume of music.
Smacznego. Let's
Smacznego,
see.
enjoy. Yeah.
So now I will show you the location of the restaurant. That in front of me is the Malta Lake. This one is the traffic situation, and this one is the place. It's called Bar Abu, next to the Malta Lake, and I'll show you inside the restaurant how it looks like. So you see that car park is full, many bicycles, and that the outside sitting area. And here, if you wanna sit out inside, basically the place is look like this, and the pizza oven in the middle. That's the bar and the place. So I'll show you around. So basically I'll share you the menu. This is not paid endorsement. I just like to share what I have. And on the wall they also have a nice menu. Pizza with the pizza. Look at these beautiful flowers. I really like the flowers here. Okay, see, more and more people are coming. I'll show you around. It's very nice, cozy place to sit under the tree. There are so many food truck as well over there, and it's very nice under a big tree. Damian is sitting over there, so I'll show you around basically, so you can bring your bicycles, bring your family, bring your dogs. Damian is there. So that's in the middle is basically the sitting with the sand. So on the left, on the right side is very nice, cozy place, green under the trees, green garden concept. That's the children playgrounds. Food truck, and here under the tree again the lights, and that's the ice cream shop. So this one is the beer place, and yeah, so this one another sitting area. They just literally open, and look at this one, really under the green trees garden. And this one Look at the blue sky today, beautiful. And here in the middle is another playground. Basically, it's so nice, very nice. See, getting busier and busier. Green, and look at the flowers growing. It's so nice, very homey, comfortable place under the sunshine. And the pizza looks so big and good. I really like the flowers. Very nice garden. Nice, so cute. Oh, look at these flowers. Beautiful. Look at the ice cream shop. So cute. Pink shop, and that's the place basically. Very nice.
That was very nice Sunday brunch. Unfortunately or fortunately, I have had stuff to do after work. So Winnie will continue strolling around the Malta Lake here in Poznan. This is like one of the spots where you have to visit if you are in Poznan. And I go back to work. I will see you on next video. But Winnie will continue. So take care, guys. I go.
Bye, kohanya. Right, so after we had a big breakfast, I decided to walk around the Malta Lake, just like in front of me. It's a very nice Sunday well spent. So yeah, it's beautiful lake, and I think this one is the one of the biggest lake in Poznan. And look at the beautiful fountain over there. So literally everywhere you go, like lake, park or garden, woods, and this is how it is actually my life in Poznan. Look at this beautiful blue sky, fountain, lake. Amazing. Look at this school of birds and ducks. You guys look like the ducks in my hometown in Bali. Very nice. Let's see whether they fly or not. No, nobody fly. Look, they are so chill. Nice. Look at this, they are so chill and colorful. Nice. Look at this beautiful fountain, and you see that people running. Oh, that's the train station. Going to the new zoo over there. People walking, cycling with the babies. So nice. Wow. Look at the train. That's the train that I went last time. So nice. We were there in the Malta Ski lake, and then we keep walking, and in front of me is another park. So let's go there. This is what I really like to do in Poznan. Wherever you go, you see lake, green park, and also children playground. Just like this. During spring, summer, autumn, people are so active actually outside. Very nice. You see, everywhere is green and clean, just like this. I want to get closer to the playground, and the playground is very nice, you know, colorful and also safe. And under the green tree, people are staying active. Very nice. Wow, it's very nice to walk and enjoy, you know, the green park and beautiful sunshine. So this is actually a daily life of me and Damian in Poznan, Poland. Once Damian told me that, honey, do you feel bored living here? Because there is no, you know, beach like in Bali. There is no place you know, like you go only 5-10 minutes and you arrive already to watch beautiful sunshine, beautiful sunset, or beautiful sunrise like in Bali. For me, it's totally enjoyable. Everywhere I go, 5-10 minutes close by our apartment. Like yesterday we went to Rusauka, now we went to Malta Lake and having a Sunday brunch. It's so enjoyable. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. So that was the park where we were before, and then if you go there, that's the Malta Lake. And now we will catch the tram. So that's the tram station. So yeah, very nice and comfortable wherever you go. It's super easy.